Hello students, this is Karan Kumar Physics. Today I am going to discuss about the capacitance. So for a capacitance, the capacitance exists. How to define the capacitance? Means the ratio of charge to the potential. The ratio of charge to the potential. How it is indicated? The capacitor consists of two metal plates which is contains equal and opposite charge. So what is the principle of a capacitor? Means the principle of capacitor is to increase the capacitance of a capacitor. So to increase the capacitance of a capacitor, what should be done? Due to this from the definition C equal to Q by V, as V increases, then the capacitance decreases. Yes? As the V decreases, then the capacitance increases. That means, so this is a positively charged metal plate. So due to induction method, this charge becomes negative and outer charge becomes positive. Okay? So due to this negative charge, the potential decreases, and due to this positive charge, the potential increases. So we want to increase the capacitance. That means we want to decrease the potential. So that's why the outer side of the second plate should be connected to earth. So when it is connected to earth, then all this positive charge will transfer to earth, so that it will becomes neutral. So on the surface of a second plate, only the negative charge will present. So this negative charge will produce the potential as decrease in potential. Due to this decrease in potential, the capacitance of the capacitor will be increased. So that's why to increase the capacitance of a capacitor, the potential should be increased. That is possible by earthening the outer surface of a second plate, so that the positive charge of the metal plate will be transferred to the earth, and the total charge on the outer surface of second plate should be neutralized. Okay? That is the principle of a capacitor. So what is the dimensional formula for a capacitor? Means the dimensional formula for Q is IT, and the dimensional formula for V is W by Q. W is nothing but work done, so that work is ml square T minus 2, and Q is IT. Then you can write like this: Q by V is equal to IT by ml square T minus 2 by IT. Means I square T square m minus 1 L minus 2 T plus 2. So finally we will get m minus 1 L minus 2 T power 4 I power 2 is the dimensional formula for capacitance of a capacitor. Okay? So to explain the parallel plate capacitor, capacitance of a capacitor, how much amount of capacitance should be included? So they will be asked like this: what is the magnitude of a capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor? Means Let us consider two equal and opposite charges for the metal plates 1 and 2, whose surface charge density is plus sigma and minus sigma. So let us consider three regions 1, 2 and 3. Then the lines of force present from the positive charge always moves away. The lines of force from the positive charge moves away, right? So that means all the lines of force always moves away from the positive charge, and all the lines of force moves towards. That means to the region the line of force always move towards. So that means what happens? This is for the region like this, for the region like this, for the region like this. So that means the total electric field intensity in the region 1 and 3 becomes 0, because sigma by 2 epsilon naught is the electric field intensity for a metal plate. Okay, non-conducting metal plate E equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So sigma by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught becomes 0 outside 1 and 3 regions, but inside in the second region sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught becomes sigma by epsilon naught. Okay, so that sigma by epsilon naught is electric field intensity. You know that the relation between the potential and capacitance is V equal to ED. So you will get V equal to sigma by epsilon naught D. Okay. Now work done. What is the definition of work? W is equal to VQ. W is equal to VQ. So instead of V you can write sigma D by epsilon naught multiplied with the Q. But we know that what is the sigma? What is the sigma? What you want to find the potential? What you want to find the potential? C equal to Q by V. C equal to Q by V. So that Q by V, instead of V you can write sigma D by epsilon naught. But sigma, here sigma is surface charge density that can be defined as the ratio of charge to the area. So Q by A, this is Q by A D by epsilon naught. Q gets cancelled, then you will get epsilon naught A by D. So this epsilon naught A by D is the effective capacitance or the capacitance of a capacitor when there exists a medium air between the plates of a capacitor. Okay. So due to the effect of dielectric, that means if a medium is said to be dielectric, medium of dielectric constant K is present between the plates of a capacitor, then C, capacitance becomes C medium is equal to epsilon A by D. That means instead of epsilon naught you can write like this. So the C medium becomes K times that of the C air. That means what happens? and the capacitance of a capacitor becomes increased when the medium is present between the plates of a capacitor. Okay, between the plates of a capacitor, the capacitance of a capacitor is increased. That's why for a spherical capacitor, we know C equal to Q by V, but what is the formula for V? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught to Q by R. Then from Q by V you will get how much? 4 pi epsilon naught R. So the capacitance of a spherical capacitor is represented by 4 pi epsilon naught R for air. For a medium you will get K times the Ci. So that is 4 pi epsilon naught can be write like 1 by 9 into 10 power 9 multiplied with the R. That is about the capacitance of a spherical capacitor. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET, and also share to the maximum number of persons who are studying the first year and second year intermediate. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.